Can we take a vacation, create a fantasy? I wanna hide.
Hey guys, it's your girl. No, I'm just kidding. For real, okay, it's your girl Kia. I'm back with another video. I'm starting this video super late because this was so unexpected, and I look like Miss Potato Head because you can only see my head. I'm a little bit poking through. This video was random as ever because we're supposed to have a blizzard no one knew about. Let me start over here. For real, they like gotta see this. This is crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna even try to do this to where you guys can hear what it sounds like. And this ain't no GoPro, so I ain't trying to get this. I ain't trying to get this wet.
Like editing.
Yeah, we just gonna.
Wait, I'm closing. Crazy. I'm so stoked right now. This is so exciting.
We're gonna act like he just didn't say this. I don't know. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, just minding my business. So this is the front, okay? Do you guys see the cars? So let me just tell you guys. But for all of you guys that be complaining about, oh, it's too high, it's too, no. Enjoy it. Run with it. Otherwise, we can trade and you guys can come to the blizzard outside. But you know what's good for a blizzard? A mini blizzard. A mini blizzard. This is just a quick upload for y'all because I just really need people to understand. Most people, when they think of Colorado, they're like, mountain, snow, and horses. Yeah, it's true. Most people come up here too for like Aspen, to go skiing, and all that good, luxurious stuff that people do. But I'm out though.